Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Are you struggling with your Elgato cam link showing no signal? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to fix no signal Elgato cam link and getting your streaming setup back on track. The Elgato cam link is a fantastic tool for capturing high definition video, but nothing can be more frustrating than seeing that dreaded no signal message. Fear not, because we've gathered some effective solutions to tackle this issue. Step 1. Check your connections. First things first, ensure all connections are secure. Double check that your HDMI cable is firmly connected to both your camera and the cam link. Also, verify that your cam link is properly plugged into a USB port on your computer. Restart all devices to see if this resolves the issue. Sometimes it's the simplest steps that do the trick. Step 2. Verify camera output. Next, let's focus on your camera setting. Make sure your camera is set to output video via HDMI. Some cameras require you to enable HDMI output in the settings menu. Consult your camera's manual for instructions. Ensure your camera is powered on, and if it's battery operated, consider having a fully charged battery or using a power adapter for continuous streaming. Step 3. Test the HDMI cable. A faulty HDMI cable could also be the culprit. Test your HDMI cable with another device to confirm it's working correctly. Alternatively, try using a different HDMI cable with the cam link to see if that resolves the issue. It's critical to use a high-quality cable that supports at least 1080p or 4K resolution, depending on your streaming needs. Step 4. Update your drivers. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause signal detection issues. Ensure that the Elgato cam link drivers are up to date. You can do this by visiting the Elgato website and downloading the latest drivers for your specific device. After updating, restart your computer and check if the issue persists. Step 5. Adjust USB port. The USB port you're using might be causing the problem. Try plugging the cam link into a different USB port on your computer. It's best to use a USB 3.0 port for optimal performance. Avoid using USB hubs or extension cords, as these can sometimes interfere with device functionality. Step 6. Test with different software. Sometimes the problem could lie with the software you're using to capture video. Test the cam link with a different streaming software to see if the signal appears. OBS Studio, for example, is a popular option. If it works with another software, you might need to update or reinstall the primary software you're using. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should have a clear understanding of how to fix no signal Elgato cam link, ensuring a smooth streaming experience. From checking connections to verifying camera output, each step plays a critical role in troubleshooting this common issue. Remember, persistence is key, and sometimes a combination of solutions is needed to resolve the problem. Keep experimenting and stay patient. The solution is just around the corner. If you continue to face issues, reaching out to Elgato's support team could provide further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming.